Hi guys, today we're getting ready for fall by taking down everything summer, decluttering my summer wardrobe, making some food, and lastly, I'll show you how I went through the whole summer without buying any outfits and working with what I got. So wow, we've got a lot of stuff to do, so let's get started. Go grab some coffee or get your cleaning stuff out and work alongside me, and hopefully this gives you some inspo. Let's do it.
Open up my eyes, it's a brand new day. No more shit from you. I'm gonna hop on a plane. Let's get out of this town. Take the next flight out. I wanna go somewhere. Ooh.
Okay, so there's going to sort of be two phases of the undecorate with me for summer. I actually redid the cabinets and the countertops this year, rearranged furniture, brought in some new furniture. Well, not necessarily new furniture, it's from my office or another room, but this is how it started kind of in the summer. And then when I redid the cabinetry and repainted that cabinet underneath that television, I repainted that. I moved that around several times. So there's going to be a few changes, but this is going to go in two phases. So this is how it looked at the beginning, and then we'll get into how we sort of undecorated a second time for summer. So even though it is still 90 plus degrees outside, we keep the house fairly chilly, probably 65. I don't keep it that temperature year round because in the winter I definitely put it up to probably 80, but that's why I'm wearing a sweater and slippers and I look like I'm all cozy. So we're gonna get rid of the summer themed blankets, and I actually ended up tossing that summer tumbler because it's plastic. I'm trying to get all the plastic out of the house as best I can. Choose, pick your battles.
Capsize my legs and feet from under me. Your lips awoke me from the dead. Sipping on my champagne, dreaming things, wishing you were still here desperately. Though your souls never can be free.
Oh, that looks so much better. I'm so glad that I painted that white. I actually add some knobs to that dresser. This is the same dresser. It did move around a lot, like I said at the beginning. I wanted to bring in a lot of color at the top of summer, the orange, the blue, just really brighten, liven that spaces up. But once the middle of summer came and I had redone my cabinets, what you're seeing here is how I changed everything out. I went with more of a Mediterranean Greek vibe, and I really enjoyed just taking that bright, colorful palette to like a neutral, crisp, clean summer palette. And honestly, I think I'm going to keep it that way for some time. And it's sort of extending the theme of my courtyard foyer entryway, which I did a makeover, a Greek-inspired makeover in that space, and this really helps maintain that flow of that design. There's another video, I will link it in the description below so that you can check that out. Also, check back in with my channel because I will be posting part 2 or phase 2 of my summer undecorate with me. As I said early on in the video, there are 2 versions of my summer undecorate with me, so stay tuned for that video. I'm super excited to share that with y'all. Let's get decluttering. Oh gosh, let's tackle this mess. Like, what a great closet this looks like right now, but it did not start out that way. And Hi, Bruno. Hello. Oh, he's my little puppy. So precious. Little puppy. Okay, so Bruno's going to keep trying to help, but what I'm trying to show you here is sort of the midsummer, late summer clothes options I'm going to pull out and throw into here. This is more of that early spring, and as you can see, I had my dresses minimized to only a handful, like 3 or 4, I think. And for early spring, you can see I just have too many still, and I'd love to just pass some of these along, which, believe it or not, I did this year. But I think I'm not a minimalist, so let's just get that out there right now. Not a minimalist, not gonna be a minimalist, never gonna happen. But I don't like having clutter and too much stuff either. I feel like being excessive, I don't know, it's just become something I've been kind of aware of. And I don't know, I just don't really want to be super hyper excessive. I'm in this season of less is more currently. So, as beautiful as these early summer, late spring dresses are, that one I end up keeping actually, by the way. We are going to put those away in my suction bags, vacuum seal bags, and for next year. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys have seasonal wardrobes that you pull from your closet every season, twice a year, maybe just summer, winter? Do you live in a climate? When I lived in California, I did not need to have a winter wardrobe. I had a couple sweaters, some Ugg boots, and that was sort of the end of it. But now I'm in the mountains and you need a winter wardrobe. So, so let's put these bright colors in. This summer dress that I'm wearing is really more fall to me, but I can wear it in the summer too. I just really enjoy it. I have some high heels that I've hung on to and I'd love to keep wearing, but I find it hard to wear them where I live now. So, how's decluttering for you? Is it easy or is it difficult for you to let go of items? This particular jacket, I've been on the fence about for many moons. I love the pale pink. I do end up moving this red jumpsuit, onesie, pantsuit along. I have donated that. I no longer have that. My sister loved to joke me on that, but I won't say the joke because I think it's appropriate. But do you find it difficult to move things in and out? That onesie, green short onesie, is actually too short and no longer fits well, so I did move that one along too. Some stuff were easy decisions, other things not so much. Okay, so this was sort of my summer declutter result. I feel like I have far more dresses than I really wanted to end up with. So we're gonna have to go through these again, I think, at the end of the season when we start changing out for fall, winter. But we're closer. We're closer to getting ready for fall or at the end of the summer, right? So, this was exhausting. Let's head to the kitchen and make some food. So, do you like to cook in the summer months? I typically don't. It warms up the house. So, as you can see, I did a lot of poached eggs, fried potatoes, more stovetop, less oven. I do bake bread all year long, so once a week I do have to heat up my oven, and I have to heat up the whole oven. I have a double oven, but you cannot bake the bread on the bottom or the top oven. It doesn't do it evenly. I found that it burned the top and undercooked the top if it was on the bottom. So it's sort of a learning curve there on my stove, but what I do like to do is go through our back stock of food. And one of the things I pulled out for the summer was our turkey. We had some turkey from Christmas and New Year's, and maybe you're thinking, wow, is that when you use that food? Yeah, so you can freeze your leftovers from those holiday meals. I have those vacuum sealers, which takes out all the moisture and everything like that. And you can put stuff into your freezer. They say 1 to 2 years with meat. I usually don't wait longer than 6 months. It's just kind of how it works around here. But I wanted to do something different. Well, I usually do poached eggs, fried potatoes, like I was saying, fruit and yogurt parfaits, things that really don't heat up the house with the oven. I decided to do a turkey scramble, as you are watching me do here. It doesn't take very long. You can use your fresh veggies from the garden. It's a 1 skillet deal. Very easy. Even if you are not a cook or you don't like to cook, this is something you can have done in less than 15-20 minutes, and it will last you a couple of days. And I'll tell you, I love meal prepping ahead for at least 2 to 3 days. It makes my kitchen stay cleaner, dishes stay cleaner. So let's take a look at what I wore this summer. The goal this summer was to buy nothing new and really work with all the pieces that I have and have had for many years and see if I can make them look really cute, update the style, make them look fun or fashionable. You know, I'm trying to steer clear of like the super tight, super short, super revealing kind of clothes. I've kind of been there, done that, and it was pretty much a signature. But I'm trying to really move past that, and it has been a challenge. You know, I think this is a fun and flirty couple of outfits. Also, I think it's a really good idea to play around with your accessories, your cover-ups, your shoes. Try different items with different dresses and see how far you get. I've found that I can bring new life to outfits merely by, for example, this shirt I used in the other outfit you saw earlier with the black flowy pant suit onesie. You know, it really just brings different looks to each outfit. And then switching it out, like with this red crop jacket, or changing the shape of the jacket with the shoes. It just really adds some fun and interest, and it brought new life to my wardrobe where I really enjoyed wearing all my clothes this year. A good example of a blouse I rarely wear is this blue collared button down. It is essentially only used for auditions, but I wanted to make better use of it, so I threw some things together and tried to have some fun with a walking outfit when I go walk my dog. Enjoy it. Enjoy the ripped jeans. So many great outfits and options this year. I really enjoyed playing in my closet. This outfit here and the next one had to be my top two favorites. Strong lines, form-fitting but not overdone. Just cute, fun, sassy, and exciting. And I think that's what summer should feel like with your clothes. You know, it gets so hot and it's so hard to wear stuff, but throw in some fun stripes and bold colors and accessories, and you know, keep that form-fitting but classy vibe strong, you know, and while staying cool. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I'm decorating for summer, sharing my summer outfits. I hope you had fun with me. I think summer should be fun even all the way to the end, and I hope that you guys found this enjoyable. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.